Alright guys, here is Run Rudolph. I want you guys to learn your 7th chords. So D7, both hands. See that? Get that out, play it a bunch of times like this. And go to G7. Play it a bunch of times. Go to A7. Go back to D7. Now, I want you to do your inversions. Move your bottom note up to the top, play everything else the same. Your other inversion, second inversion. All the way up to scale. To the A. So let me move down here. Back to your D inversion. Now your third inversion. Okay, so practice that, really get it in your system. Now, the second thing I want you to do is practice this little lick. And what we're doing is we're holding this D, walking up to the B, walking up to the C, and every time we're doing that, we're either hitting the F sharp or just the A back, whichever's easier. Okay, so same thing with the G, same thing with the A. Practice that a bunch of times, rewind the video, practice, 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 and then that little A lick, it's an A flat 9 with a flat 13. It's an A chord with a flat 9 and with a flat 13. C sharp. Here's your flat 13, which is an F. G, it's your 7. Your C, which is your 9. It's a sharp 9, sorry, not a flat 9. Sharp 9. How I'm getting that? A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I keep going, 9, right? Which is also the 2, but it's a 9, and then we're sharpening it, which means we're raising it. So get that in your system, practice that chord over and over again, smash it, smash it, smash it. Okay, so practice this. It should be that fluid to where you could hit any one of those 3 chords and then play that. And then you also want to incorporate this. All that is down the scale, and then on the bottom note, D, A, D, and then you're hitting an octave. And it's triplet-cha, triplet-cha, triplet-cha. Just that fast. Okay? Really fast. Alright, so follow the chord pattern and do all of those little moves that I showed you. You can either just play it like this, both chords, both hands. It's alright if it's kind of muddy like that. It's a rock song. Okay? The other thing you can do is this. Okay, so that A13, flat 13 with a sharp 9, right? You can throw that in there. You can throw that on any of the A7 chords on the very end of it, okay? Not the actual chord. You don't want to just play this over and over again. last beat, you can throw that chord in there if you wanted to. You don't have to. So let's go to the very end, and it says outro lick. So we got, you see instrumental, and then you see the D chord right there. So we got D, G, to the D, G, 3, 4, D, and then the A, okay, so that's how that last bit goes. I'm going to show you that really slow. So the last time on the instrumental, they don't go back to the D, they stay on the A7. So here it is really slow. So from the instrumental G, 2, 3, to the D, 2, 3, A7, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that little lick is here. It starts on the G, and then it walks down that D pentatonic scale, D minor pentatonic scale. Okay? Now we're starting on the G. Last little note is barely there. It's like there's the drums, da da da. So we got that last little lick. That's what it sounds like full time. I'll do it really slow one more time. G, G, to the A, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and da 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 da. So you start that G on the upbeat of the 1, 1 and 2, and da 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 da. So as soon as you hit that C, it's almost like you're falling on that C7 chord, and you'll hear that in the track. So just practice it over and over again. Okay. If you need any other assistance, rewind the video, practice your 7th chords, practice that lick. You guys will nail it, and have a great show.